All right, what's going on, traders? It is another update on our gold trading bot. We just started the Asia session. You can see that it is currently in action right now, up on this position of 0.06. Another fantastic trading week last week, and the gold bot just continues to climb to all-time high profits with barely any kind of drawdown. If I go into the history, the last position closed right there, 0.06. This is a scalping bot, and it just scalps throughout Asia, London, and New York. So the way this bot works, on my 200K account, I have my first position as 0.06, my second position as 0.15, and then my third position at 0.38. You can see all of the sells that it actually took when the market opened. And let me just go into the charts and show you guys why it did that. You can see that gold is starting to push down. I am on the daily chart. If I go to the 1 hour, you can see that gold is currently pushing down, and that is why it actually took all of these sells. And again, the way this bot works is my first position is 0.06, my second position is 0.15, and my third position is 0.38. On my third position on the 0.38, if it doesn't go in my favor, it will automatically go into a stop loss. Let me show you guys the profits that it did just from market open. So just from market open, it's already done $572.67. I'll show you guys all of the trades. You can see all these trades right there. Here was a 0.38, $185. So far today, we did not get stopped out once. So here's another 0.38, $91. And then here's 0.15. And then here was another 0.38, $142. And here's 0.15, 0.06, making $43, $20. So it's just non-stop profits. This is the way the bot actually works. And because of the algorithm and the way the bot is designed, that is why we rarely have any kind of drawdown. Right now, you can see it got in another position right now, another sell for 0.06. And if I go to just last week, so last week it did about $7,800. And then last month, $291,000 in profit. We had a historical month last month, hitting over 70% in profit. And so far for the last 6 months, the account has now grown to $675,000. So let me go to my social trader tool and show you guys exactly the percentage. Here is the Gold Z for trading bot. You can see the profits are exactly the same. $878,706.70, just like right here. So the account has now grown to 344.23%. You can see it is still currently in action right now. So with the most recent update, we started this account back on the 19th of June 2025, and currently we are on 17th of November 2025. Hasn't even been a full 6 months, but during those 6 months, this is the way the bot has climbed. Again, we had historical profits last month. You can see this huge spike, and that is because of the volatility in gold. This bot actually works better when there's a lot of volatility. If I go the 4-hour chart on gold right now, you can see how it had its huge run up all the way to the upside, and it just continued to make profits all the way up. And then once it started pushing down, it again continued to make huge profits on its way down. And that is why we had such a monumental month last month using this gold trading bot. If I go to the monthly breakdown, we started back on the 19th of June, and just in about 2 weeks it did about 12%, 23% in July, 22% in August, 35% in September, 71% in the month of October. Currently, we are halfway done with November, and we hit about 13.44%. Hopefully, we'll hit about 20% for this month as well. It ended up closing that last trade as well just right now. So this was actually a small profit, $1.14. Exactly the same as my MT5. You're going to be able to see. So here's the MT5 right now. And you can see all of these arrows, you guys. All of these arrows are all of the trades that the bot actually is taking. Hundreds of trades each day. I'm on the hourly chart right now, and you can see all of these arrows. It's all of the trades that it's actually scalping in and out. If I go to my phone, I'm going to show you guys it is exactly the same. $878,707.84, just like right here. And then if I go to just today, the profits from today, it will be exactly the same. Show you guys. And if I go to today, so just today, the profits, overall profits, $573, just like $573. The first trade, $51.30. And then here you can see right here, $51.30 with those two losing trades. The other trade was $185, just like right here, $185. It took another trade right now. If I go into trades here, you're going to see that it is exactly the same. The trade has kicked in again, another sell position, minus $9. You can see currently in action right now. And so this is the way the bot has actually worked. I'll show you guys when it actually went into a drawdown. The only day that it actually went into a drawdown is actually right here. So on the 15th of July, you can see that the percentage is 19.5%. And then on the very next day, 18.21%. So it went into a 1.3% drawdown. Other than that, there's not been one single day of a drawdown in about 6 months. And that is the way this bot is actually designed. Show you guys, you can pass any prop firm, 100% automated trades, 1.5% max stop loss on the daily. It is compatible against all trading platforms. Currently, I am using MetaTrader 5 for this bot. So once you guys join, you will have access to our trading community. Active traders are growing to close to 500. We have reached over $3 million in payouts for all of the members, right? You will also have access to our VIP trading group as well. Just this past week, another member secured a huge payout. So let me show you guys from Funded Next for over $20,000. Everyone has just continued to keep winning in our community. So congratulations to that member. So it actually ended up closing another trade for $12. So it just goes on and on and on, $586 just in Asia Open. So if you guys would like to have access and you guys are tired of staring at charts and analyzing the markets, then this is the game changer right here. If you guys would like to have access, make sure you guys check out all of the gold videos. I make a weekly update for the gold trading bot. That was $500,000 in profit. So check out all of the videos. If you guys would like to join and have access to our community, hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started.